So little lady, what day is it today? Do you know what day it is?
Crazy hair day.
So, turn around and shows your hair. Look, right, turn around. That's it. And as one of the creators of this hairdo, young lady, who's totally enthused to be on this video, what was your inspiration? Your mind. And what do you think of it, young lady? Are you excited to go into school with your crazy hair today?
Yeah.
Yes. And is the artist going to hide in the car? Yeah. Just look now, pal. And you go, midget. Go, go, go. Whoop. Come on now. And you go. There. How's that? And are you hiding? You're looking at your hair. Is it crazy?
Yeah.
Crazy hair day?
Yeah. What are these for?
No touch you. They're mine.
Then why don't you eat them?
Chris, I don't want to eat my sweets all the time. Right. What are you going to do today?
Crazy hair day. Crazy hair day.
Well done.
Crazy hair.
And?
Crazy hair.
Where are you going today? Where are you going today? Where's that place you've been asking to go?
Fun fair.
And who's definitely going to take you?
My grandmother. She's gonna be like this. You can't go with the spider fair. She will get dizzy.
Yeah, that's right. Are you good? Dizzy, dizzy, dizzy.
And I want people.
Who are you going to play with today? Who do you think? You don't know? No. Who should take you over at school this morning? Me or the beautiful one?
Georgie.
That'd be you. Wait, no touch you.
What is that?
It's a joint.
What the joints do?
Well, you've got an elbow joint, so see in there. No, see in there. In there. Elbow joint, and it makes your arms go straight.
Whee!
And move, like your arms move.
I would say it makes them bend as opposed to makes them go straight.
Bend and straight.
Yeah.
So,
It
it helps them move. Is that cool?
Yes, it's all about
Bend,
movement.
straight, bend, straight, bend, straight.
Yes. And it helps you get up high things.
That means the scary.
You're not scared of heights.
That means the dizzy thing.
Are you a dizzy thing?
No. The dizzy thing is the fun.
Do you know what Daddy's going to do this weekend?
What?
That's what.
Do you know what this one was asking me about last night?
What?
Well, you don't know because I never told you.
Oh.
She was asking me why are black widow spiders poisonous? I was quite taken aback by the question.
Oh.
I said I didn't know why. Then she asked something about a red spider of some sort. I know there is some sort of spider called a red something or other.
Well, do you know what we're going to do on Monday? Wait, look that way. Do you know what we're going to do on Monday when you come back? We're going to learn why black widows are called black widows.
No, why they're poisonous. They will bite you.
Yeah, I meant to tell you that. That
Well-
was what she was asking just before going to sleep last night.
We will find out all about black widows. Oi. We'll find
But I
out.
don't want it to scary.
Oh, don't worry about it. Because we don't have any black widows in this country.
It's an Australian thing, isn't it, mainly?
I think so.
So are we going to Australia?
Well, you want to go and see your cousins?
Yeah, you've got family over there, Casey.
Yeah. Daddy's dad's over there. Did you know that?
No.
But don't worry, he's a jobby face.
Why?
No, because
he is.
he is.
Why do you call him a jobby?
Because he's a poo head.
Tell me why.
And two of your big cousins are over there with their children. Kirsten and John. Back yawn. Cover your mouth when you yawn. Now, do you want to start the video?
Yeah.
What do we say?
Like and subscribe.
And we say thank you to our new member who's joined and they've become a hobbyist. So we have got our very first member who will be getting a video for themselves at some point. And we will say bye bye. Say bye bye.